Welcome back to my channel Tech with Akan. In today's video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to set up Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, for Python development on Windows or Mac PC. Follow along as I'll be covering the installation process. I'll also be covering how to configure Python as an interpreter, and lastly, I'll show you how to create your very own workspace on VS Code. But before starting this tutorial, make sure you have Python already installed in your PC. If you haven't installed Python in your PC, watch this video that is showing now. I'll also leave a link in the description below to the video where I covered how to install Python. The first thing we need to do is to actually download VS Code, and to do this, just open up your browser. In your browser, search for VS Code. Alright, click on here, download. So you have to select whichever version of PC you're using. For me, I'm using Windows 10, so I'll go ahead and click on Windows 10. So automatically the download should begin. So as you can see, the download has begun. I'll just need to wait for it to finish. So when you're done with the downloading, all you need to do is to install. So now that the installation has been done, all I need to do is to launch the app. So here in your VS Code, the first thing we are going to do is to set Python as our interpreter. So all we need to do is to type in Ctrl+Shift+P, or you go to click on View, click on Command Palette, then we should click on Select Interpreter. Then we should, if Python is already installed in your system, you should see something like this. Select whichever version you have, or if by any chance none of these shows, then you should manually select the interpreter. So click on here, and Python is usually installed in the programs file. So you go to your programs file and select Python directly. You click on whatever Python you have installed in your system, you click on it, and you click Select Interpreter. So let's just go and click this one for now. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorial if this video helped you in any way. So lastly, we need to create our very own workspace. So how do we start? So first of all, we need to open up a folder or create a folder. So you click on Files, click on Open Folder. Well, I like my folders to be in desktop, so click on New Folders. Let's just go ahead and name it let's say Work. Let's name it Work. Okay, select this folder. So automatically VS Code will open up the folder for you. So next thing, we need to create the workspace. So this is not a workspace, this is just an empty folder. To create the workspace, you click here, you click Save Workspace As. So if you want it to be the same work, you just leave it like this and click on Save. All right, automatically our workspace have been created. This is the workspace. So let's go ahead and write our very first line of code in Python. So click here, click terminal, click new terminal. So in this new terminal, let's just create a file and name it test.py. Alright, test.py. So it has created a file, a Python file. So let's go ahead and just write our very first line of code, which is to print hello world. Save it, and then all right, it's worked successfully. So if you encountered any problem or faced any issues during the setup, drop a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials. See you next time. I'm your boy Tech with Akan. See you again.